we are headed over to my friend's mom's house. She called me the other day freaking out. I guess her daughter had knocked over a ladder in the basement, busted off the spout on the heating oil tanks, and just started pouring out everywhere. Broke behind the shutoff. Basically her mom jumped into action and stuck her finger in the hole, and her daughter was like, well, I gotta go to work, I'll call somebody. So she had to sit on the ground for 2 hours with her finger, plug in this hole so that the heating oil wouldn't just pour out into the basement. Finally, they had a guy there that was helping her, and he found a wooden chair dowel, and they were able to jam that into the hole to stop the leak. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Listen to him, it's like a pack of...
Oh. How many does she have now?
She's got 4.
Yeah.
But one's Joey's.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me. Quiet. Back. Let me get one of them. Hey. Hey. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies.
Hey.
Bear over there. Bear. Quiet.
Alright. She's got this leak going too. Smells like heating oil in here. Oh man, slippery. Get a width on this right here. I'm pretty sure it's 1/2 inch, but let's double check.
I wouldn't touch that plug we put in.
No, I'm
I
not.
don't know how sturdy it is. It's like shit luck it's even lasted this long.
It's leaking a little bit.
Yeah, and into that cup.
Yeah.
Yippa. Alright, I'll leave you to your...
I'm just gonna measure this quick and make sure I get the...
Yeah, but that one over there is not the same adaptation as the one over here. So.
Is it not? No?
No, I think it's a little bit different.
These tanks are definitely the same tank. That's the same. Just snake this around in here somehow.
We could probably fit it. Yeah, there we go.
Perfect. That was kind of loud, the furnace going, but the task right now is basically move as much fluid as I can from this tank to this tank. That was yummy. Heating oil on my face. Big disgrace. Well, that was like 5 minutes. Didn't really do a whole lot. But my battery died, so I'm gonna go ahead and Well, that's doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this, just cause. Might as well. Almost full. We're getting there. It's been about, geez, I don't know, 2 hours. This guy's right full. Alright, so the next problem I have right now is, one, I got the wrong parts at the store. So I gotta go back to Home Depot. Because I need 2 PEX B to PEX B 90s. And I also need is somewhere to put the rest of that 1/4 tank. So I'm gonna go ahead. I found a guy on Facebook Marketplace. He's got 2 really nice 55-gallon drums that were used for alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna go pick those up quick. We're gonna steal this whip and go for a ride. I haven't driven standard for a few. Come on. Oh, sweet. Hey, what's going on?
You made it, huh?
I made it.
Nice, man. Got the old Ranger out, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's my friend's mom's.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Helping her out, so.
Love Rangers.
Back to the Home Depot. We're back. I think we got everything that we need. Almost ate shit there. Slippery. With the pressure out of the hot water. It's up here. Buddha. It's fine right now. I wouldn't worry about it, Linda.
Alright. Is there anything I can do to help?
Just hang out if you want. I might need some help here in a sec. Alright, we got the tank empty. I know, that was a lot of work.
Now I can sleep good tonight. Without one eye open going, oh, I wonder if that thing blew out.
So it's the next day. We're gonna go ahead and try to get that piece out of the bottom there. Gonna get dirty. I went to Home Depot, got the nipple extractor set. Can't quite get a bite on it. But I went to Napa. I got a GM heater hose. A little different, but it's tapered. It should be just the right size, so. All right. We're pumping it back in. My GoPro battery died. These GoPro batteries are terrible. I need to find some sort of battery backup that'll last an entire day and not have to worry. Like, very annoying. But that GM piece, ended up getting that out. Then I had to fish this dowel out. That's what they stuck in there to save it from leaking everywhere. Alright, we're back here a week later, and it looks like shutoff is leaking. Let's see where it's leaking right out of there. Everything I did was working so far, so that's good. Today what we're looking for is to find if there's a leak here. Because she believes that there is. Oh, yeah. See, I thought maybe it was leaking from this. Because that looks wet. That is wet. Like, this doesn't look wet down here anywhere.
Huh?
I don't see like wetness here.
Right?
Like it's damp,
Mm-hmm.
but this is all wet right here.
So it comes down and follows the pipe down,
I
and
think
that's
that-
the lowest point.
And it's just because there's a break here. That's why it's pulling up here.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I think maybe it's just that. Like if I pull it off and the flare's all messed up, I don't have a flare tool.
Yeah, don't even go there. Just put some kind of jury rig on it and see if it works.
Okay. Then like this.
Is that what's leaking, that little knobby?
Yeah, it's this knob. It sucks we didn't replace it when
Had it
it all
apart.
Yeah. The good news is you're close to being empty.
Still smells a little bit of oil, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Never goes away. It's horrible. Oh, you know that girl at Shaw's that you asked out?
Yeah.
She's real serious with that manager guy.
Yeah.
I think like they might get engaged or some stupid thing.
Really?
Suckers!
That's crazy. Yeah, she never called me, so I figured. And then last
She's
time
all head up about that thing.
I went in there, she was pretty like standoffish, so I was like, all right, that's a bummer. Usually she was pretty friendly though.
Yeah, I think they're getting real serious, so now she's trying to act like not as friendly to anybody.
Yeah, well that's good
Yeah, I guess.
for her. She's cute. All right.
Hopefully,
Do you want to just keep burning off this one, or should I open them back up?
well, if we burn out this one, can we replace that thing that leaks?
Yeah, we can replace that.
Easier, right?
Yeah, you need an empty tank really to do it, so.
And it'll never be 100% empty, will it?
Well, it'll be empty enough that you can.
Replace it?
Yeah.
Then let's just burn off that one.
Cool.
That was pretty easy.
Yeah.